In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 credit tips every first-time buyer needs to know. Hi, my name is Brandon Beckwith, and I'm the owner of 5 Star Credit Solutions. I help people just like you excel at restoring your credit and reaching your credit goals so you can have more options and get those luxuries you want in life with low interest rates. I do this by showing you how to repair and rebuild your credit simultaneously while educating you on credit management so you won't have to come back to me for services again. I have 3 very important credit tips for you listed. And if you're thinking about buying a home, please listen to these tips. Decrease your debts. Mortgage lenders will review your debt to income ratio when considering your ability to repay a loan. Review what you owe and put together a budget plan to lower these balances as much as possible in a reasonable amount of time. Set goals and hold yourself accountable to them. You can plan for a more favorable financial future with the help of a financial consultant also. They will be able to review your current credit crunch and offer advice on how to manage your finances better, such as paying off 10% of your student loan debt in the next 90 days. Another approach, if you have some more breathing room in your budget, is to pay more than the minimum due on your credit card bill every month. This will help speed up the time it takes to pay off your debt, which is good news since there are often fees for balance overages. Additionally, try and get your total debts below 30% of your limits. For example, if your total credit limit on a card is $1,000, get your total balance below $300. Stay on top of your bills. Late bills can negatively impact your credit worthiness, and not paying will also mean paying late fees. It might be advisable to plan out all of your debts, their due dates, and set reminders so that you are always up to date with them. Avoid any big purchases. We recommend not spending money once you've lowered your debt, and avoid any big purchases on your car before you apply for a home mortgage loan. Buying a car, expensing a big vacation will all affect your credit score. Keeping a close eye on your finances to avoid any potential problems during the credit review process. Financial diligence is a skill that will continue to be important for long after you've secured your home. Be sure to consult a mortgage banker with any credit questions or more help with getting your credit ready for buying a home. By the way, if you really want to increase your score, grab my free credit boost guide by clicking the link around this video somewhere. It's free, so you have nothing to lose but everything to gain.